Hey everyone, how are we doing today? Day 4 of our extended closure, April 3rd. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope you're getting outside. I hope you're being kind to everyone at home. So we're just going to go over what you need to be doing today, okay? Reminder, there's a Zoom meeting at 11. I know that some of you have been watching these agenda videos, but hopefully most of you are now. They're super important. They have some updates, some information that you might need. So please make sure that you're watching these agenda videos. So number one, a Zoom meeting at 11 a.m. Okay, this is going to show you everything that you might be confused with. I can share my screen. I can show you how to get to certain things and just make sure that you are all set with Google Classroom. Okay, we're going to go to our Classwork page here. Make sure that you're doing your assignments, okay? Some of you have not handed in your, hopefully you took your work to school. If you haven't, then you can send me pictures, but your biodiversity assignment, so like all those pages that we did before this extended, so the first 10 days, that all needs to be done. Biodiversity assignment needs to be in as well. Okay, so that's those 10 days. Okay, so make sure those are in. Some of us haven't taken the patterns of reproduction quiz. That was on day 2. So make sure that you're getting that done. I only had about three of you that have done it. So make sure that you get in there and do that, okay? Your plan project is posted already, so if you want to start that, and then your sexual asexual poster project need to be handed in. So if that is also at the school, that's great. If not, you need to be sending me a picture of that, and if you do a video on it, make sure you hand that or turn that in, okay? So our our extended closure page, this is the page that you see. I made my own Google Classroom so I can see exactly what you guys see. So today is day 4, so we're going to scroll down. Day 4, we're going to do a categorizing game, flower anatomy on page 89, and I'm going to introduce that plant project for you guys just to kind of go over it, give you some specifics. Okay, the categorizing game and flower anatomy are going to be in a PowerPoint, so make sure you watch the next video that explains all of that. Okay, I'll go and show you where to get to that PowerPoint. This is back at your Classwork screen. If you go down to PowerPoints, okay, this is where it's going to be posted. I'm actually going to go to mine so you can see that PowerPoint for day 3 was posted with the video of me going over it. I'm actually going to go to my screen just to show you where it is. Okay, PowerPoint pages. So if I click on day 4, that PowerPoint will come up. You can click on day 4 and you can go through it on your own if you want. It might be beneficial if you just watch the video. The video will go through the entire PowerPoint, okay? But the video will be right underneath of it'll be right underneath of that, okay? So if you have any questions, make sure you comment on this video. It'll be easier for me to get in touch with you, or you can just send me an email directly. If not, today is technically Friday, so I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.